it's got a shot for a move up. Why am I not getting lower, like 96.80 or so? You know, you could take a trade there. I think you've got to be careful. So long 9687, 37 pip stop. Again, this is so the market will hopefully gain some momentum and break out. You've got to watch 9700 as a possibility for the market breaking down. We do have a triple top up there, so keep that in mind. It's only a few pips away. Now, you could go a little bit higher than 9700, but we're also capitalizing on the fact that when the market does break through these even numbers, it has a tendency to keep going. Now, I know some of you are going to be saying, well, Mac, look, there are 3 times that it didn't work. Well, I would then say you need to go back and look at all the times that it has. So out of 100, the question is, how many times will it work? No, don't ask all the engineers out there. I have never bothered to study the particular pattern. The reason being, the risk is very, very low. In other words, here you can see is the 9700 level. If the market does this, where it pushes through 9700 by a couple of ticks and immediately comes back, get out. Okay, this isn't something that you try and guess at or pussyfoot around with. When the pros push through an even number like that, it comes hard and fast because they're taking out stops, they're sucking in people along the way. It's not something that churns around for a while if it's going to work. So if it does churn around, or you get this where the market pushes through on one bar and then immediately turns around, again, that's not a working trade. On the other side, though, I think we've got a much cleaner break. This would be shorts 1.9656, 37 pip stop. Again, aiming for the market coming back down here around 96.20, but you've got to watch this 96.40 level. So again, a very small margin before the market reaches support. There's just nothing we can do about that. We've got to wait for the market to gain some momentum and start pushing down. Also, I would want to comment that these are not the types of trades that you want to take in the Asian session. You really do want to wait for the sweet spot, even though that should go without saying. I thought I should reiterate it. So, a couple of trades which are forming up for the London session tomorrow.